I'm a down to her girl. But again, it's a Jamaican thing.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make some fruit juice mix. What do they call it? They call it like a multivitamin juice. What do they call it? I forgot the word that they use. But anyway, I'm gonna put all kind of fruits in my blender. See, I woke this morning and I saw these little fluxy mango. So, but it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just doing a little wash. I'm gonna peel it and pop that into my blender along with other, so I can have it for my dinner. With my dinner, sorry. With my dinner. I've got the washing on as well. Yeah, I've got the laundry on. Oh, it's not very good, is it? Yes, there we go. I'm just gonna cut them up and stick them in my blender. You know, I love making juice. When I started my channel, I started with juicing. Like, I love to make juices. I love making juices. More mango. My daughter doesn't like to eat fruits, but once you make the juice, she will like it. She likes it. But just to eat it, she's like, she likes berries and stuff like that. She will eat her berries, and I would eat a mango any day, but it has to be a Jamaican mango. You saw me in my Jamaican vlog the other day. I sat outside and I had 3 or 4 East Indian mango. And before I left the island, I sat again and I have another one. Like, you know what? I'm getting all this mango. And then when I checked my blood sugar, it went so high. It went so high because of all that lovely sweet natural. No greenhouse mango. They just pick them off the tree, and yeah. So I'm just cutting up all these mangoes. I should use a spoon instead of a knife to scoop it out of the skin. Yeah, that's better. I'm just scooping it out like this. Makes more sense. Yep. They were selling out these mangoes for cheap. But they get, you know, people go to the market and they start feeling up the stuff and they squeeze, and if it's right, myself included, and they feel it, oh, is it ripe? So this is what happens when it gets really soft and stuff. Listen, don't be afraid to pick up a bargain, you know. Don't be afraid to pick up a bargain, alright? If the mango is not mangoing and it's nice and soft and it's eatable, buy it and stick it in your blender. Yeah? So I've done that one. Wash my hands. I'm just gonna add some other fruits with it. As I said before, anything goes. As long as it's eatable. I'm putting some apple inside of it as well. The citrus, because I haven't done any shopping lately, you know. Just that I haven't got the time, and because it's so hot, no one just can't be bothered to eat food. So I mostly buy lots of lettuce and carrots and cucumbers and stuff like that, and I make like a salad, and I'll have that with like maybe boiled eggs or tuna, because it's too hot to eat heavy food right now. You know what I mean? Right, let me wash off my blender. I need to get a new blender. I've been saying that, but I'm gonna get a new blender come probably next week or the end of the month. Right, I'm just squeezing a lemon. Guys, did you see my lemon shot the other day? I did a lemon shot where I was like, I don't know. And over it and just squeeze it like that. Listen, if you're Jamaican, you know, yeah? If you're Jamaican, you know. It's a Jamaican thing, okay? So if you see me put my hand, see the water is still dripping, it's just like squeezing. It's a Jamaican. If you see me do that, sorry, it's a Jamaican thing. But for the people who are not Jamaican on my channel, okay. But for the Jamaicans who are on my, you know. See that my strainer can put it like that. But it's a Jamaican thing, okay? It's called less washing up. It's called less, because look, now I'm gonna wash this down. You see? So in Jamaica, what we do, we just put our hands over it. You push your hands on the table, okay? And we squeeze it so that the seeds doesn't get into the juice, okay? It's a Jamaican thing. It's a cultural Jamaican thing. So if you don't know, you know, okay? It's a Jamaican thing. I can squeeze it from anywhere. I've got a strainer that's there, and I've got a juicer. See? To put the and squeeze them. But again, it's a Jamaican thing. So it's not like I don't have the tools. I do. Okay? Some is a cultural thing, so other culture does it differently. You can use a strainer, or you can use a sieve, or you can use your God-given hands. It's called less washing up. No, I could have been doing something else, but I have to now stop and wash up that strainer. Which 5 minutes. Well, not 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. But yeah, enough of that. But yeah, it's a Jamaican thing. All my Jamaican in the comments section, just please say yes, it's a Jamaican thing, because you know. Okay, so it's done. I might make a banana bread later. Okay. Right, let's strain this out, okay? And then we can take it from there. I'm just going to use this to strain this out. Ooh, look at that. It's so smooth that it doesn't need to be like strained. In this hot weather, it's nice to know that you can have like fruits. If you see the fruits going on in the supermarkets and it's going on offer, don't turn on your nose at it. You can just blend it and have it with your dinner. This is me, yeah? I love a bargain. You can call me cheapskate as you like, but it's not cheapskate. I'm very frugal. You know, I'm not going to waste my money to buy what's in the bin. Let's give it a second. I'm not going to waste my money and pick up stuff that is out of my price range. No, I'm not that kind of girl. If I go in the shop and I see markdown, like markdown vegetables, markdown fruits, I'm gonna pick it up. Yeah, I pick it up, I take it home, I wash it and cut them up and pop it in my freezer. Yeah, I'm not gonna go, oh that's too soft. Oh no. If it's soft, what I do, yeah, if I see something that is soft and it's going up and it's not on the markdown section, you know what I do? I go to the till. the cash register. And I say to the cashier or whoever is cashing me out, like, look, this avocado is soft. So I'm asking you for your best price for it. I haggle for everything. And they will go, oh, but I'm like, but I want it, but it's soft. Or it's, and they will go, okay, 50 pence or 20 pence or 30 pence. And I'm like, okay. Even if it's 10 pence less, I'll take it. Yeah? That's me. I'm not that kind of person who is like fancy and all of that. So I'm a girl next door. Okay? I am not the bossy show off type. I'm a Cancer. We don't show off. We're not a show off person. We are so down to earth, so loyal. If I feel your energy and your energy is good and I like it, yeah, you got me. You do. But yeah, this is what I do, right? Because the mango was marked down, and I just like, can I have it for 50 pence? And the guy was like, okay, 50 pence, 50 pence. Anyway, enough of me chatting. Let me finish my juice. I hope it fits. Everything fits. It's supposed to. Perfect. I'm gonna pour some out in the cup, and I'm gonna add that with some ice, and I'm gonna pour the rest in my container. Nice. So this is the drink. This is mango and apple with oranges and ginger and lemon. So this is another drink. I hope you can make it. See you soon.